In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Jobber free trial. Let's jump right in and walk through this process so you can manage your subscription effortlessly. First things first, you need to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever browser you like to use. Once that's done, type Jobber into the search bar and hit enter. This should take you to Jobber's official website. It's important that you verify you're on the right website to avoid any confusion or security issues. Look for the Jobber logo or the domain name to ensure you're in the right place. Once you're on the Jobber website, you will need to either log in or sign up if you haven't already. For those who have an existing account, simply enter your username and password to access your account. If you're new and haven't created an account yet, go ahead and register. Signing up is quick, and you'll be guided through a straightforward registration process. Just follow the on-screen instructions, providing details like your name and email address to create your account. After you've logged in, look for the gear icon. It's located at the top right of the page and represents your account settings. Clicking this icon will present you with a drop-down menu. In this menu, you're going to see an option labeled Account and Billing. Go ahead and click that to proceed. The Account and Billing section is where you can manage your subscription settings, including changing billing information, updating payment methods, and of course, managing trial periods. Now, here's a helpful tip for those of you who are currently in the free trial. If you're enjoying the trial and have some concerns about possible charges at the end of it, there's some good news. Jobber's free trial is set up in a way that it will automatically expire without charging you. This means there's no need to actively cancel the trial if you decide it's not the right fit for you. If you do nothing, the trial simply ends, which is a great hassle-free feature provided by Jobber. To recap, simply search for Jobber online, log in or sign up, click on the gear icon, and head to Account and Billing. Remember, if you're currently in the free trial period, it will expire automatically, so there's no pressing need to cancel unless you plan to upgrade or make any changes specific to your billing options. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful for managing your Jobber subscription. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.